What's good, YouTube? Man, it's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We're back with another banger. Today is not a trading video today, guys. I'm almost getting monetized, man. I need to be monetized before, I think, the summertime. And I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get there, but I gotta push it. I gotta grind. I'm trying to get there before they reset my 4,000 watch hours. I don't know how this works. This is my first time trying to do this. I'm just trying to make sure it don't reset. So I'm putting out content. Hey, for the ones rocking with me, you'll watch it. If not, it's all good, man. I'll be posting a trading video soon. But I did see a setup today on gold, but didn't take it because this is my first day of having my funded account. Just don't want to jump straight in, but it ended up going my way. But it's all good. Plenty of other opportunities to get in. We're just gonna take this thing slow. We're gonna look for the right setups, man. That's what we're gonna do, man. But today is gonna be a Spark delivery video, man. I'm gonna be delivering groceries to people's houses and stuff, man. I had to pick up a second job to to bridge the gap of credit card bills, other bills, got an oil change gotta be done, man, some other stuff, man. Man, I got a bunch of other bills to pay, man. And some stuff that's coming up that I also have to pay. I gotta get a second job, man. You know, I'm blessed and thankful for this job that I have, working at the commissary, but it ain't cutting it, man. So I found something that works with my schedule. I like it. I don't necessarily have to go into a whole nother building to work, because I was gonna work GameStop, and I was either gonna work GameStop or TJ Maxx or Hobby Lobby or something like that, but don't know how long the process is. And I'm like, man, I would rather just do something that I could just go in whenever I want to on my own schedule, man. I was gonna do DoorDash, but ended up having a problem with DoorDash. The first time I signed up, they tried to hack my card. I'm like, this is my first time signing up. Y'all already trying to hack me. Nope, y'all messed that up. I'm gonna go to something else. But Spark is actually better than DoorDash, man. I make a lot more money, man. So I'm going to show you guys when I stop, when I get something to eat, how much I've made so far doing Spark only in 2 days, man. So to sum it all up, what I would work at 4 hours at my regular 9 to 5, I made the same thing doing Spark, man. So it's like, it's a go for me. Like, man, this is crazy. I'm making the same amount, almost just like $5 off. You know what I'm saying? I only worked 4 hours on Friday, and I worked, 2.5 hours, 2 hours on Saturday. That's a total of 6 hours. So what I've made in 6 hours on Spark, I made in a full 8-hour day on my 9 to 5 job, y'all. Crazy. Like, it's a go for me. I definitely want to keep doing this. I'm going to show you what I made last Friday and last Saturday in 2 days. And I only worked 6 hours, man. Y'all check this out. This is my Spark app, man. In 2 days, guys, we made $183.25. And my regular trips was $153.25. That gave me an extra $30 as an incentive. So you get like these bonuses and stuff, man, depending on I guess depending on how many trips you get and stuff like that. So they told me if I had made a certain amount of trips before Sunday, they give me an extra $30. Because if you look on my OnePay right here, let's look at my OnePay. This is my OnePay app. So they gave me a debit card for this too. So right now there's $153.25 on my debit card with I'll say one app. I mean OnePay. So that's how much I have on there now. So my $30 incentive will be there, I guess, within the next 14 days. I guess it has to approve or something. But yeah, man, look, In 6 hours, in 2 days, I worked. I made $183.25, y'all. So yeah, man, this is working out, man. So now what we get ready to do, guys, I'm getting ready to show you the process. I'm getting ready to start the app, and we're gonna start looking for orders, man. So let's get it. Let's go. All right, guys. So we are in my Spark app now. So let's work. And I want to work to about, I'll say about, what, it's 4:40 right now. I'll work until 7:30 today because I have to get home and do some other stuff. So we'll turn it on. Hopefully I get 3 hours in that time frame, man. So I'll cut the phone back on, man. What we got? Oh, hold up. What we got? All right, so guys, yep, I accepted my first order. As you guys can see, I pressed the Spark app, and as soon as I cut it on, they sent me an order, man. That's what I'm talking about. And it's a pickup. I like the pickup orders. What I don't like is shopping for people, man. So this is right up my alley, man. So yeah, man, we ended up getting a pickup order for our first order, man. It's 3 places here where I live, man, and they're not far away, man. But shoot, if we look at this, man, shoot, look, the delivery is $9, but look at the tips. The extra earnings $1.47, but look at the tips, man. Almost $15 in tips, baby. That's where all the money come at, y'all, is these tips, man. And right now it is $4.48, and our pickup is at $4.50. So when I press the start app, it'll tell me I'm too early, so I have to wait exactly $4.50. That didn't take no time. As soon as I turned the app on, man, they gave me an order, man. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. All right, y'all, so we get ready to turn this thing on, man. It is 4:51. Start trip. And I am confirming my arrival because it's packing up. Confirm my arrival. And now I'm getting ready to pull up to one of the parking spaces and select my spot and wait, man. All right, y'all, so we pulling up for pickup number 8, man. So we got to put in this phone that we're at lane number 8. Parking lot, parking spot. I'm gonna press select number 8 and save. Parking spot number 8. Now we gotta wait till they're done packing up, and then when they say ready, they'll be out here. I'm gonna open up my doors and stuff, and then they're gonna put all the stuff in here, y'all. All right, guys, as you can see, we got order number 1, we got order number 2, and then all the way in the back we got order number 3, man. So now we are getting ready to deliver all these orders to these people's houses, man. 3 orders, man. So here we go. Let's get it. All right, man. We are done with all 3 of those orders, man. That wasn't too hard, but it was at an apartment. The second one was at an apartment complex, man, and it was hard to find it a little bit, man. I'm like, where is this apartment? So the GPS had me go all the way in the front. It was actually all the way in the back, man. I'm like, ugh. But nevertheless, we are done with that order. Now we are getting ready to go back to Walmart. Right now, as you can see, I'm waiting for orders to load up right now. While I'm waiting for an order to come through. Ain't nothing come through yet. So I'm just waiting patiently until something pop up on the phone. I'm gonna see if I'm accepted. On to the next, man. So the first order is done. All right, guys, so I'm back at Walmart, and on my way to Walmart, I had got another order, man. Like, these orders coming in hot, man. But this one is gonna take some driving, man. I got two orders here, and then I gotta drive to Cadiz, Kentucky, man. That's a little hike. It's maybe about 20-minute, 30-minute drive, something like that. I'm not for sure. It won't let me click on the I had to press it quickly, man. I'm not able to see the address and stuff to see how far it is and stuff, man. So I gotta wait, man. But yeah, I just decided to take the order. It's another $25 order, man. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of winding down a little bit. I don't know if I get another big order like this. Like I said, I don't feel like shopping today for nobody. So I'm willing to take these deliveries, you know what I'm saying, driving wise. So yeah, I think dude get ready to load me up, man. So let him load up. We're gonna get to it, man. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just delivered our first order. That order is done. Now I got 2 more orders. So yeah, man, we are getting ready to deliver these other 2 orders, man. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do after that, man. They said if I do 3 orders, I get an incentive of $12. I'm like, is it really worth it? But I told my phone that I'm going to stop at 7:30. But I might go ahead and do 8 o'clock, man. See if I can get me a little quick order, man. Alright, guys, so this is the order that I'm delivering in Hoptown. That's the order for Katie's. So I got it wrong. So I'm getting ready to go record. I'm getting ready to go I'm getting ready to go deliver this stuff, guys. Alright. Alright, y'all. It's time now to go to my last delivery, man, and then we'll see what else we may pick up, man. Alright, guys, that was my 3rd order, man. That's gone now. Now I am searching the app for more orders, man. I'm gonna work until about 8 o'clock. This is my 3rd pickup. I just delivered. I got 3 deliveries in this pickup order, man. I was like, man, I forgot to turn the phone back on, man. It took a little minute. I had picked up the order about 7:45, and I got 2 orders here and then another order out the way. I am on my way to deliver my 2nd order, man. As you guys can see, that's the 2nd order, and my 3rd order is all the way back here in the trunk, man. Yeah, this is the last pickup. So today, what was different, I didn't have to go shopping today. They gave me all pickup orders today, which is cool. I'm down with that. But yeah, man, smooth day today, man. I'm on the grind. I gotta get to it, man. Last order, y'all. Just delivered the 2nd order, man. Last order. Well, it's a wrap, guys. We are finally home. All the orders are done. Nothing back there. Nothing up front. We are done, guys. Yeah. So now I'm gonna turn the phone to my other phone. And then I'm gonna use my other phone for the calculator. Phone after phone after phone. But yeah, let's turn the phone around and then look at our earnings today, y'all. So let's go to earnings. No, we're gonna go to earnings. So last Friday and Saturday in 2 days, we made $183.25 with the $30 as incentive. I did like a certain amount of rides. My initial balance is $153.25, but they gave me $30 extra for filling like 5 or 6 orders in a certain amount of time. So we racked up on that. But just today alone, guys, we made $36.68. That's just for the trips. Those are the tips. So let's get our phone out, our other phone, using another phone. Let's go to the calculator. All right, we got 3668 plus what is that, $29.80. 29. Man, come on. 29.80. All right, so we got 36.68 plus 29.80. Drum roll, please. We made $66.48 today, guys. Okay, guys, update. Now that they added the $12 incentive today, drum roll, please, of our final total, $78.48, guys. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for the video, man. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader, got coming in, man, or got going on. We didn't take a trade today, but we seen a good setup. But hey, many more setups to come. I'm gonna check the market when I get in the house. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for sparking with your boy. Yeah, I like that. Thank you for sparking in with your boy. Doing the Spark app, man. Trying to make extra money, man. Peace, love y'all, blessings, man. Until next time, man. Stay tuned, stay positive, get to it, and always keep your head up. You can do all things through Christ which strengthens you, man. Love y'all, peace out. And y'all know the motto after every video. 3, 2, 1, flat out. I holla.